A new era of electric mobility has begun, with a giant leap forward for design, inside and out. That means unprecedented cabin comfort and advanced features at your fingertips. It means the power to act fast and a range that can take you further than ever before. With innovations such as vehicle-to-vehicle charging and vehicle-to-load technology, plus market-leading safety, including a 360-degree camera, SOS calling, and 6 airbags as standard. And our exclusive app suite, Arcade.ev, allowing a host of entertainment and productivity apps. You can expect an experience like no other. Now, it's time to take the next step. It's time to lead the charge. With the all-new Nexon.ev, it changes the game.